What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. Pepe fam, I am back with another video for you guys. Pepe, I don't think you guys should be fading Pepe, man. 100 million to 1 billion Pepe could give you guys some very nice gains in the future. Pepe sitting at $510 million in market cap, $72.1 million in 24-hour trade volume. Always gonna remain bullish on Pepe, man. It's retracing right now, giving you guys some nice entries, down 2.4%. And you guys know, man, as far as the top meme coins go, Pepe right under Doge and Shiba. And what's interesting is that Elon's spreading with X. He's Xing. Elon is Xing out here with X. He said, let me put up his official Twitter. Okay, this is him right here. You guys can see right here in the bio, man, X, which is the name of Twitter now, X, and the dogecoin symbol, right? And dogecoin started to break out today, man. Dogecoin starting to lead the pack for the meme coins, man. And if Doge is getting bullish, I think Pepe is gonna get bullish too, right? Because when meme coins start exploding, a ton of them follow each other, like meme coins explode together. So you see Dogecoin is trending right here, and Dogecoin is making a nice breakout. And I think Pepe is eventually gonna lag behind it, but it's gonna start breaking out with Pepe is gonna break out with Dogecoin in a bit, because Elon is pushing Dogecoin once again. Pretty nice stuff, pretty amazing stuff. He said X is going to be let me see if I can find the official tweet that I saw, man. He said something about X is gonna be the ultimate payment platform, the ultimate financial platform. Let's see if I can find a tweet just so I could get the official quote, man. Let me see if I can find that tweet, man. I'm sure I retweeted it because it was some great news. This is one tweet right here that's super bullish. X to implement buying and selling of Dogecoin and crypto. And you guys already know, man, Pepe is gonna be the people that aren't bullish on Dogecoin. There's gonna be Dogecoin versus Pepe. There's gonna be the people that are all Pepe. There's gonna be people that are all Pepe, and then there's gonna be people that are all Dogecoin, man. I'm not seeing the tweet, but yeah, it was a tweet similar to X, which is, you know, Twitter now. It's gonna be the go-to financial platform of everyone. So I'm not sure how Elon will integrate any of this, but that's gonna be amazing stuff to see, man. That's gonna be crazy, man. And like I said, that's gonna be great for projects like Pepe, because, you know, people are gonna be, you know, transacting meme coins the most. We know retail investors truly love meme coins. They just love it, man. After they heard about people getting rich and making millions off Doge and Shiba, it was never the same for the crypto markets. So now the next competitor, or the next biggest meme coin that will give people, because it's already gave people millions, right? But there's still more millionaires to be made, because we're not at the top of the bull market yet. And I think the next big meme coin is Pepe, right? We're gonna see another 100x, maybe 200x in Pepe from here, man. Like, there's like every other meme coin that's not like in the top 15 meme coins is noise to me, right? If it's not in the top 15 meme coins, it's noise, right? And Pepe is the top 3 meme coin, okay? And we already know the narrative behind Pepe of surpassing Doge and Shiba, okay? There is that narrative, and when there's a community that is so strong and so there's a community that is so strong and so focused on a goal, there's no telling what they can accomplish. I've seen it time and time again. Community is what sends projects to those huge levels in the future, man, right? If you hold Pepe, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and remember, none of this is financial advice. Let me take a look at trading view real quick. You know, let's take a look at trading view. Take a look at Pepe. So right now it's retracing back down a bit. You know, that is fine. It's gonna be looking for support, coming down to support levels, right? From the harmonic patterns, probably come down to these levels right here. These support levels right here. That's what I'll be looking for the support levels. Once it hits those levels from this previous resistance and support, support in this area supports. Once it comes down to these levels, right, let's see if it holds this support right here and then makes a bounce from this level, guys. So that's what I'll be looking at for Pepe in the future, going into the next, you know, couple weeks or so. Overall, the markets to me are still very bullish. Inflation, CPI data is at 3%, and the Fed's goal is 2%. So eventually we're gonna get a pause on the interest rates. BlackRock and institutions are coming into the space, which is something we've never seen happen at this, you know, this rapid of a pace ever in the crypto space. There's also the DXY, which is completely like the DXY keeps falling, right? The more the crypto and stock market is heavily correlated to the DXY's price action. When the DXY, let's see if we could pull up the DXY here, actually, the Dixie. When the DXY dollar currency index, did I add it? Hold on, my apologies, guys. Yeah, so let's take a look at the DXY. You can see that when the DXY is bearish, man, the DXY is coming back down. Who knows, it could start coming back down here, start falling here. When the DXY starts to fall, stocks, crypto, Bitcoin, ETH, Pepe, they start moving up, man. So yeah, guys, keep an eye out for that. Overall, the market momentum overall is bullish, right? And I think we're at the baby step starts of the bull market. And I really do believe Pepe is going to be the top meme coin this cycle, the top performing meme this cycle, in my opinion, right? This is the one that's going to pump the hardest because it's brand new and it doesn't have any underwater bag holders, not that many anyway. Not that many, right? They have people that bought up here, but they're not down 99% like Shiba and Doge. There's people down 99%, 98% in Shiba Doge, right? So they're not down that much. They're down like what, 30%, 40%. It's not bad in comparison. But yeah, there's gonna be a ton of people in Shiba and Doge. As soon as they start making moves up, they're selling. They're getting out because they were underwater for so long, right? It's not the same here with Pepe. Pepe has a ton of price discovery still, guys, going into the bull cycle compared to a lot of other projects, man. So Pepe fam, if you're bullish, you're holding Pepe, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Pepe and myself will be in the description. Make this video go viral, man. Share it all over Twitter if you hold Pepe. Share with your friends and family. Share, subscribe. Let's go. Let's blow up together. Let's make these crazy life-changing gains together, guys. I'm telling you, gotta have some exposure to memes, man. And Pepe's the meme I say, okay, this is one you see the writing on the wall for. This is one that's gonna be a banger going into the bull market. Thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate all the support, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.